Subscribe to Agarwal Tags and click the bell icon here to get the notification. Hello guys, welcome back to Agarwal Tags. Today in this video we are going to unbox the unawaited parcel. The Galaxy A8 Plus is here, which is bought from the Samsung store officially. So let's get started. So as you can see, the A8 Plus is here. You can see the top, it is Indian SIM cards only. So let's go to the features. You get the infinity display here, dual front camera and Samsung Pay. You get 3500 mAh battery plus fast charging, 68 IP68 water resistant and dust resistant. You get this dual SIM support and the Samsung Clocks 3 version. So let's unbox and see how the phone looks. So inside the box you get a manual. Let's see it. And here you get the phone. Let us keep it aside. You get the accessories in it. You get the charger by the Samsung branding. It's a fast charger. It has the 9 volts and 1.67 amperes to 5 volts and 2 amperes. This is a normal type C cable. This looks amazing, and it's Samsung branding earphone. I guess it's not too good earphone. Samsung doesn't provide a good quality earphone for the mid-range smartphones. It provides the higher end smartphones and good earphones for the flagships. So, but also the quality of the earphones is quite good. So let's look in it. You get here a SIM ejecting pen. You get too many quick starts manual. All these are paperworks in different languages available in India. You get the warranty card in it and all the other user manuals, and you get a good quality cover. Samsung Galaxy A8. So let's look at the physical overview of the phone. At the bottom you get the Type C connecting, which is a fast charging cable, and you get a 3.5mm jack in 2018 too. That's surprise. At the right side you get the speaker, which is absolutely finely placed, and top you get the noise cancellation mic. Here at the bottom you get the primary mic, the top you get the secondary, and which is also known as noise cancellation mic. Here you get the SIM 2 and the memory card slot. Here you get the SIM 1 slot. As you can see, the phone comes with the dual SIM, and you don't need to hybrid the SIM slot. And at the back you get the primary camera, which is of 16 megapixel, and bottom you get the fingerprint, which is, I guess, the good place. You can comes in the perfect direction. And at the right side you get the LED flash. At the front you get the dual camera setup with 16 megapixel and 8 megapixel. You get the live focus mode and the bokeh mode. Here you can see the LED notification light, so I guess you can't see it. So let's turn on the phone and get started with the phone. The phone just got vibrated, and it's the A8. This is the premium quality phone. It actually is looking the great feeling. It is not less than flagship phone. You can see the LED notification light glowing up here. These are the phone network antennas, 1, 2 and the 3 and the 4, and it is starting. So let us get started and set up with the phone. So the setup of the phone is done. So let us look at the Android version. The phone looks quite amazing. Software information. It comes with the Samsung Experience version 8.5 and the Android version 7.1.1. I hope Samsung provides the latest Oreo update as soon as possible. Might be in the coming decades. So that's it guys for this video. Hope you like, and from myself, for my opinions of the phone is the very beautiful look. The always on display just got light up. This phone is available in the black and the gold color. I guess the black color looks the most premium look it gives, and it is not less than flagship phone. You get all the sensors available in this phone. So thank you guys. Hope you all like this video. So like, comment and share and give it a thumbs up.